Cringeworthy titles apart, Android's lacked solid tablet options for a while now. Yes, Samsung does keep churning out tablets each year, and they've gotten progressively better for the most part. In fact, I still use my Galaxy Tab S6 as my primary Android tablet and I love it. But from the point of alternatives, with the demise of Huawei, we really don't have many Android tablet offerings from brands that are not called Samsung, that is. Xiaomi till 2018 had been a strong player in this area. The Mi Pad 1 was amazing specs wise. The Mi Pad 2 was a misstep, but still it had a great build. The Mi Pad 3 was a reasonable follow-up, and the Mi Pad 4... Now, you know what's very interesting about the Mi Pad lineup? Every Mi Pad has had a SoC from a different manufacturer. They went Nvidia, Intel, MediaTek, and then Qualcomm in that order. And if you thought Xiaomi is going to keep that up and the Mi Pad 5, it's going to have an Exynos or even a Surge SoC, they didn't do that. This time around, Xiaomi's gone with a much more powerful and mainstream option for the Mi Pad 5 and the 5 Pro in the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 and 870 respectively. By the way, there are 3 tablets they've announced: the Mi Pad 5, the 5 Pro, and the 5 Pro 5G. Now, there are a lot of similarities between these and some differences too. So let's take a look at all that in today's video. My name is Ash, you're watching C4 eTech, and here's everything you need to know about Xiaomi's latest tablets. Guys, I'm going to be talking about the Mi Pad 5 Pro in this video. Whenever there's a difference with the Mi Pad 5 or the Pro 5G, I will point that out. Let's start with the similarities. All 3 tablets have launched with 11-inch LCD panels. That kind of did bum me out. Not the 11-inch part, I think that's perfect for comics and everything. But with Lenovo recently launching an AMOLED tablet with the 870 nonetheless, I was kind of hoping Xiaomi would follow in Lenovo's footsteps. And that's one area where I feel they could have had an obvious advantage over Apple, because Apple doesn't have AMOLED on their tablets. Sadly, it's a missed opportunity. That said, this is still a very interesting set of displays: 2.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh, support for HDR10 and Dolby Vision. It checks most boxes. So barring it being LCD, there's not a lot to complain about. The Mi Pads are slightly heavier than the Tab S7 and about 50 grams heavier than the iPad Pro 11. But Xiaomi seems to have done well with the build, pedal frame and all, and the specs are the real highlight. I would love to see 888, but the 5 Pro and the 5 Pro 5G both have the Snapdragon 870, making them in theory slightly more powerful than the Galaxy Tab S7. And given Samsung's also switched to IPS LCD on that tablet, and note some honest reviewers seem to totally miss that all of a sudden. Again, hi there. The Mi Pad 5 Pro has a good start. Even the regular Mi Pad 5 with the Snapdragon 860 seems to be powerful enough to run pretty much anything you'd want to. That downgrade to LCD on Samsung's Tab S7 is why I've been sticking to my Galaxy Tab S6, and the performance even as of today has been picture perfect. Given that it's an 855, I expect the 860 to fare better on the Mi Pad 5. The big differentiating factor though for these tablets, it's got to be optics. The Mi Pad 5 has a single 13 megapixel camera. The 5 Pro has a dual camera setup, that 13 megapixel sensor, and also a 5 megapixel ultra wide. The Pro 5G, it retains that 5 megapixel ultra wide, but snaps the 13 megapixel primary for a 50 megapixel primary. Guys, here's the thing. Cameras on tablets are weird. Personally, I don't think I've ever shot anything with my Tab S6 or iPad Pro. I mean, yes, the quick document scan, but any potato camera should work for that, right? Now, other things worth noting is support for a magnetic keyboard cover and stylus, just like Apple and Samsung's tablet offerings. On the battery front, the 5 Pro and the 5 Pro 5G have 8600 mAh batteries with 67 watt fast charging support, the fastest we've seen on a tablet. The regular Mi Pad 5 has a 8720 mAh battery, and the charging speed is still a very respectable 33 watts. As far as pricing goes, that is basically what makes Xiaomi's offerings look better than their Samsung or Apple alternatives. The Mi Pad 5 starts at 1999 RMB, that's for the 6128, the 6256 comes in at 2299. Now the Mi Pad 5 Pro has 6128 and 6256 options as well, and they are priced at 2499 and 2799 yuan respectively. The top spec 5 Pro 5G has only one variant, 8256, and that's priced at 3499. So Xiaomi seems to have done good with their return to tablets, at least on paper. I really hope the Mi Pad 5 series sees the light of day outside of China, because it seems just too good to not to. So what do you think about the new Mi Pads? Were you expecting AMOLED? Were you looking for a 888, or do you think they are perfect as is? Let me know in the comments below, and with that we get to the end of this quick video. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications, hit that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash, you've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.